brands, if you're watching me, please adopt me. Hi guys, today I am very excited that this is the first video in this channel and the day 1 out of 100 as a Jugaad content creator. So now, what's Jugaad? You'll get to see what's Jugaad in these 100 days. In these 100 days, I'm looking for brand collaborations, PR packages and etc. For that, I need your support and engagement. So, let's see in these 100 days how many brands will collaborate with me and how many PR packages will I get. So, without any delay, let's get to the day 1. Yes. Hi guys, this is the day 1. So for the day 1, I have decided to wear the Jugaad makeup, in a zero budget. For that I have the Jugaad makeup items in this ice cream box and the Jugaad things, my outfits. This is a jeans pant and it is a overcoat which I'll be turning it into a high neck t-shirt. First, let's do our makeup things first. So let's start the makeup. So I don't know what is this. Maybe it's a concealer or whatever. If it makes me look less sleepy, it's staying with me. That's it. First, let's put here, the pandas live here, right? So here and here, like this and like this. I sweat a lot. Oh shit. I sweat a lot, so I put this like this. So let's do this. I'm not a makeup artist, so I am very cause I know how to make myself look good on camera. That's it. So it's kind of over. And then we are going to put my favorite part, that is the blush. My favorite part. But in my home I don't have blush, so lip balm is promoted as blush. Now it comes the toughest part for every makeup artist. It's an eyeliner. You don't have any guarantee that it will become twins or sisters. So let's try if it becomes twins or sisters. Let's see. I want this small mirror for that. This is not enough. So it didn't become twins, it's a sisters. Yeah, eyeliner done. Somehow I managed it. Not looking so good, but it's manageable. So right now, wait. In my makeup, it's the last thing that the lifesaver. It's a lipstick. So let's try. Finally, the makeup is done and I'm finally dressed in the outfit of day 1 and now we need to add some accessories and we need to change the hairstyle to look awesome. So yes, this will be my neck piece for today. And this will be my earrings, and this will be my bracelet for today. And for another hand, I will manage somehow. It will be jugaad. So wait. Now, this is a neck piece, but I will make it as a bracelet. And do this. Okay. Now, I have this too with me. Let's put it here then. If you want to look good, you should do this. That's it. Okay. Now let's change the hairstyle. Finally, the look is complete. So, let's see the final look for the day one, how the jugaad worked on me. Let's see. Yes, and this is the look for day one from the jugaad. ये है मेरा जुगाड़ मेकअप for this day one. So, thank you for all the support that you have shown me, and keep showing this support, and let's grow together and help me to get PR and collaborations as soon as possible. Brands, if you're watching me, please adopt me. Thank you for everything. This is for day one. Thank you. Bye.